Now we are going to learn about another relations. Apart from our father mother's relation, apart from we are going to see the another relations. See sas, sasuma. Here sasuma. Sas, sasuma. Sasuma is called as mother-in-law. Okay, mother-in-law. We call the mother-in-law as sas, sasuma. Then the second one is sasur. Sasur. Sasur means father-in-law. Father-in-law. While we are going to get married, we have to call the house as father-in-law's house. Then we call them as sasural. Sasural. Sasural wale. Sasural wale means the members in the father-in-law's house. Sasural. Okay, we can see in the film also the sentences as sasural. Uski sasural agaye means the members in the father-in-law's family came. Okay, like that. Then this is one is bahan. Bahan, sister. Here we are having two types, that is badi bahan and choti bahan. Badi bahan and choti bahan. Badi means big sister, and choti means small sister. Badi bahan and choti bahan. Otherwise we call it them as didi. Didi also. In speaking tongue they are calling as didi, Mary didi. Mary didi means Mary big sister. Okay, Mary big sister. Behan means choti. Then the fourth one is sali. Okay, sali, devrani. Sali, devrani means sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. Meri sali mujhe milne aa gayi. Meri sali mujhe milne aa gayi means my sister-in-law come to meet me in my house. Okay. Then the fifth one is bai. Bai. Common word is bai. Meaning is brother. Okay. Here also we are having two types. Big brother and small brother. Big brother and small brother. Okay. Bada bai. Bada bai. Chota bai. Otherwise we call the big brother as bhaiya. Bhaiya also we call them as bhaiya. Okay. His wife is called as Babi. Babi also we can say them Babi. Then the sixth one is Jija. Okay. Jija means brother-in-law. Meri Jija yahan aa gaye means my brother-in-law came here. Okay. Then the seventh one is Pati. We all know that. Pati means husband. Okay. Pati means husband. Here Patni, Bibi. Patni, Bibi. Two names for wife. Patni, Bibi. Okay. Then the ninth one is Beti. Here also we can say that Putri. Putri also we can say. Putri. Mary Putri. Okay. Mary Putri. Then Beta. Beta means son. Here also we can call them Putra. Putra. Okay, Putra also called as son. Okay, Putri also called as Beti. Okay, daughter and Beti. Okay.